Afternoon, everyone. First of all, I just want to say congratulations to Themis and the team for putting together an event like this in such an amazing space. It's really good to... It's the first time I've been here since I was getting stitches in the back of my head about 15 years ago, so congratulations. What did I say? Yeah, so I'm one of those chip designers for AMD that in their 40s, 50s or 60s that Ian referred to. I won't say which of those decades, but when I was asked the question about challenges, I thought, what do I really not enjoy about what we do? And it's log files. This seems fairly prosaic compared to some of the other things that we've talked about today about nanotechnology and things like that, but I spend a huge amount of time looking at logs. And EDA tools like log files. EDA tools really, really like log files. So what can we do to try and reduce the amount of engineering burden in reviewing these? Quite often, if a chip comes back and you find that there's an issue with it, not that our chips ever have issues, but if there were, hypothetically speaking, normally you'll find there was something in the logs that predicted that there was going to be something there. Now, you may have to cut across multiple tools, multiple tool vendors. Is there anything we can do to try and reduce that risk, improve the quality of the silicon we're getting, and reduce the amount of time that the human engineers need to spend on these kind of problems? I know the EDA vendors are all individually doing their own work on AI. It's not in their interest to work with their competitors as well, but could there be something that could cut across different types of tool, power, simulation, formal verification, synthesis, all these different types of reports, and draw the human engineer's attention to something that may be an issue in a real-life silicon situation?
Thank you.